and what are you doing in my boat? And why are you wearing that ski mask? Because you're not skiing! Oh my gosh, I know who you are!
No, you don't! You don't know who I am!
Yes, I do! I know that you're a boat jacker! I never thought I'd have to use this pepper spray. Ah! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Sorry, SpongeBob, but it was for your own good.
Give me back my boat! You'd better stop this boat! I'm not letting go! Nothing will stop me! Not even giant clams! Oh, no! I'm not letting go even for cheese graters! No! Oh, no! If you think I'll let go for a little educational television! Oh, no! Ah!
Looks like that got rid of him. Now for some tunes.
And now back to KRUD with all of your personal "you won't get away with stealing my car" hits.
Hey, look.
Oof! Arg! I'd never let you have this boat, not even if you were Mrs. Puff?